Welcome to writertool.com. In this video, we'll discuss about Jira Views. Whenever we are talking about Jira platform, Views plays an important role. You can navigate it to the different sections by using View. We'll see each and everything in detail. If you wanted to learn more about Jira, feel free to refer my Jira playlist. I've created more than 500 videos on Jira itself or Atlassian products where I covered Jira for project management and administrations as well as Jira REST API and covering or I've used different add-ons for the explanations. If you really wanted to learn more about that, refer from the descriptions. To start with the views are different boards or navigations which we can see into the Jira projects. Whenever you navigate it to the summary, this is the summary view where you can see overall structure about the projects, where number of completed issues, how many issues we have updated, created, due soon, everything is available here. It's overall about your projects where each and every activity you can see it on very high level. Timeline view is giving you based on the timeline where most of the parents cases will be here. Backlog view is again for all the planned issues which company are targeting to fix it, where you can also see different stats related to sprint releases or versions. In board view, you will get the views or issues highlighted in different stages. This is the most common views where companies are using for daily scrum call or daily update call, where you can see to do in progress and done, as well as you can also add more status or columns within this board view. It is very convenient way for the team to work on this view where you can do customizations as well. In calendar view, you can see overall calendar related stuff. List view is the common view where updates can be performed. Here you can select all the issues at once and do editing. If you wanted to copy to clipboard or even delete operation is possible. And this is the quickest view where you can do modifications. Even you can change items in bulk. That's the very quicker way where you can do customizations. Even you can perform sorting operations as well as share, filter, and group related stuff. Even we can perform formatting rules. Everything is under the list view. If you wanted to navigate into any particular issues quickly, you can go in this view and perform the actions. Next is form view, where you will have whichever forms are listed that can be visible. And overall, whenever you want to customize any of this view, whichever view you don't want to keep here, you can just toggle this button and that view will be not available. If I wanted to add report view, that is also possible. I just toggle it and report view is added successfully. You can see this one where you'll have all those reporting sections are listed. Overall issue views, you can see all the issues or go to all issues, list view and detail view. That section is also available. You can also see overall issue progress as well as based on the priority, status, everything is listed here. So this is how you can navigate into the different sections and see your regular updates or status into view sections, which is much quicker and easier. Consider an example. There are multiple team who is working on different sections. One of the team member from the UAT who wanted to update the task or issues in bulk, they will either navigate it to issue view where he or she can use JQL, that is Jira Query Language, or navigate it to list view. From there, that person can easily make the changes in bulk, which is quicker way to update it. So that's all about Jira View. Hope you understand the logic behind it, why it is required, and the important questions for you: which views you like most, which views you are using in your day-to-day life. I would like to hear from you in comment sections. If you wanted to learn more about any specific topics which is not covered in my playlist, feel free to add the topic name in comments. I will be happy to create it. Till then, happy learning. See you in next part of the video. Thank you.